Welcome! So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to set up Instagram shop. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So to set up Instagram shop, just follow these steps. Ensure eligibility. So before setting up an Instagram shop, make sure you meet the eligibility criteria. You need to have a business account on Instagram, sells physical goods that comply with Instagram's commerce policies, and operate in a supported market. Connect to a Facebook page. An Instagram shop is connected to a Facebook page. Ensure that you have admin access to a Facebook page associated with your business. Configure your Facebook shop. Set up your Facebook shop by adding and organizing your products. To do this, go to your Facebook page and click on the Shop tab in the left-hand menu. Follow the prompts to add product details, including images, descriptions, and pricing. Make sure to provide accurate and high-quality product information. Link your Instagram account. On your Facebook page, go to the Settings tab and click on Instagram. Connect your Instagram business account to your Facebook page by entering your Instagram account credentials. Now enable shopping on Instagram. Once your Instagram account is linked to your Facebook page, go to your Instagram profile and tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Select Settings and then Business. Tap on Shopping and follow the prompts to set up shopping on Instagram. Okay? Now choose a product catalog. Select the Facebook product catalog you created in the previous step. This catalog contains the products you want to feature in your Instagram shop. Submit for review. Instagram requires businesses to undergo a review process to ensure compliance with its commerce policies. Make sure your shop meets all the requirements, such as having a connected Facebook page, a complete product catalog, and adhering to their policies. Submit your Instagram account for review by tapping Submit for Review within the shopping settings. Await approval. Instagram will review your account to verify that it meets the guidelines and policies. This process may take a few days to complete. You will receive a notification in the Instagram app regarding the status of your review. Now, start tagging products. Once your account is approved, you can start tagging products in your Instagram posts and stories. Create a new post or story, add an image or video, and tap on the Tag Products option. Select the specific products you want to tag from your product catalog. Now, monitor performance and engage. Keep track of your Instagram shop's performance using insights provided by Instagram. Monitor engagement, clicks, and conversions to measure the effectiveness of your shop. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, direct messages, and inquiries about your products. Remember to comply with Instagram's commerce policies and guidelines. Ensure that your product listings adhere to their requirements and accurately represent the items you sell. Regularly update the and maintain your Instagram shop by adding new products and removing any out of stock items. By setting up an Instagram shop, you can leverage the platform's visual nature and engage user base to showcase and sell your products directly to Instagram users. So that is how you set up Instagram shop. But before we end this tutorial, let me just go ahead and share with you some additional steps to further enhance your Instagram shop setup. So first, optimize product descriptions. When adding products to your Facebook shop, Pay attention to the product's description. Use compelling and descriptive language to highlight the features, benefits, and unique selling points of your products. Make sure the descriptions are concise, easy to read, and provide valuable information to potential customers. Next, use high quality product images. Visuals play a crucial role in attracting attention and driving sales on Instagram. Ensure that you use high quality product images that showcase your products in the best possible light. Use professional product photography or well staged images that accurately represent the appearance and details of your products. Leverage product tags in Instagram stories. In addition to tagging products in regular Instagram posts, take advantage of products tags in Instagram stories. As you create stories, add stickers, and select the product tag option to highlight specific products and encourage engagement. This feature allows users to tap on the tags and directly access the product details and purchase options. Explore Instagram shopping ads. Consider incorporating Instagram shopping ads into your marketing strategy. This ads allows you to promote your products to a wider audience and create increased visibility. Utilize the targeting options provided by Facebook Ads Manager to reach users who are likely to be interested in your products. Create engaging and add visuals and compelling copy to entice users to click through your Instagram shop. Engage with user generated content. Encourage your customers to share their experiences with your products by using specific hashtags or tagging your business. Monitor and engage with user generated content that features your products. Repost or share customer photos and testimonials on your Instagram feed or stories, giving credit to the original poster. This fosters social proof and builds trust among your audience. Collaborate with influencers. Partner with relevant influencer or micro influencers in your industry to promote your products. Influencers can help increase brand awareness, reach a wider audience, and drive traffic to your Instagram shop. Collaborate with influencers to create sponsored posts, giveaways, or product reviews that showcase your products and encourage their followers to explore your offerings. Utilize Instagram Insights. Regularly analyze the performance of your Instagram shop using the Insights feature provided by Instagram. Gain insights into engagement, reach, impressions, and actions taken on your shop's posts and stories. Use this data to identify the most popular products, optimize your content strategy, and make informed decisions to improve your shop's performance. Okay, so now that is all the tips to this video, okay? So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.